So choosing the right CSS inline versus internal versus external. This is day 9. Hey CSS enthusiasts, it's Krishna Sharma from Kredict. Today is day 9 of CSS journey. If you are ever wondered about the different ways to apply styling in CSS, you are in the right place. Hit subscribe if you are ready to demystifying the difference between inline, internal and external CSS. Let's dive in. So overview of CSS style sheets. CSS gives the three primary way to apply styles. First is inline, internal and external. Each method has its own strength and use cases. Let's break them down. So first we have inline CSS. Inline CSS is applied directly within the HTML text using the style attribute. It's quick and handy for a specific one of styling. Here we have this paragraph tag. First we will make a index.html for this. So here we have this, and here we will just paste this paragraph here with a color this and font style this. Just collab this. You can see here you have a paragraph with this color. So next, move to next. So next is internal CSS. Internal CSS reside within the HTML document enclosed in the style tag within the head tag section. It's great for maintaining a balance between organization and simplicity. In the head tag we have this style and h1. So first we will copy this and paste it out in just dot plus c, and in the index.html we will just paste this. You can see here we have a welcome to Kredict in the center, because in the style tag we give a body with a font family Arial and background color white. If we want to change the background color of body, you can see the body background color is changed. And h1 tag we give the color this and text align center. I hope you are getting this. Let's move to next. So in this example we have defined style for body and h1 element within the style tag. So next is external CSS. External CSS is stored in the separate file with a .css extension and link to the HTML document. It's perfect for maintaining consistent style across multiple pages. So for big pages we use this. Here we have this code for HTML. Just copy this and paste it in the HTML, and we will first link the file this. So we will follow this and create the file, and in this file we will paste this CSS styles. So if we see here we have welcome to Kredict with style tag. If you want to change the body color, you can see body color is changed. I hope you are getting this. This is external CSS which is having a separate files. So inline CSS quick styling for individual elements. Internal CSS perfect for small to medium sized projects, maintaining a balance between organization and simplicity. External CSS ideal for large projects with multiple pages, ensuring consistent stylings. So if we give, you can see which having the more, like if we have a external CSS in this with a text align center, if we give a heading in the head tag like style, and with the same we will give h1 giving text align, and so this will listen the internal CSS because it have the more priority than the external CSS. Internal CSS have the more priority than the external CSS. But if I give the inline CSS to it, we are giving style text align left, then it will listen the inline CSS, because inline CSS have the more priority than the internal CSS and external CSS. So I hope you are getting this. If you're understanding the difference between inline, internal and external CSS is clarifying your styling choices, hit like and share your thoughts in the comments. Subscribe for more daily CSS insights. Tomorrow we will delve into another exciting aspect of CSS. So stay tuned. Thanks for joining me on day 9. I am Krishna Sharma from Kredict, signing off. Keep coding, keep designing, and I will see you in the next video.